Get your burger, get your hot dog. Welcome to MaylaKTV.
Welcome to MaylaKTV, everyone. What you got there, Mayla?
This is a portable burger shop.
It's a burger shop. Oh, cool. So you could actually carry this?
Around.
Yeah. So thank you, Becko, for sending us just a review. And this is called Happy Chef. It says DIY. And you could see here, there's burgers and what else? What do you see here?
A burger
Mm-hmm.
and hot dog, eggs,
And there's chicken.
and
What is that? Some type of bread.
bread.
Ooh, and there's
Accessories. This is the back.
so play with your friends. Happy Chef. So this is probably all the accessories included inside. Portable, you can carry it around. It has a wheel on the bottom, huh? You can wheel it around. Like your little burger truck. You ready to open?
Yeah.
And this is the top. And this is for ages 3+. Okay, what's the bottom? This is the bottom. Let's open it. And there's, it says this, you could use this for storage function. And it looks like that. Alright, let's open it.
Let's open it.
Alright.
Whoa. The top is blue
Mm-hmm.
and pink.
Blue and pink with the wheel. Okay, let's open it.
Whoa, there's a pink.
So this is, we have to build it. There's the
Whoa,
instruction.
this is so big.
So let's get everything out and show. So we got all the food here, utensil, what else? Plates and cups.
And stickers.
And we gotta put the stickers to
And
decorate
the box
and design the food truck, the burger truck. And this is gonna be our truck. And then we have a tray. So we have to put stickers and decorate our food stand, right?
Yeah.
And we could make our burgers and hot dog and eggs and chicken and all the food.
Yummy.
Yummy food and ketchup. You gotta put the label on it, the stickers. Alright, let's build it first.
Okay.
I'll put the sticker.
Stickers.
There's the open shop.
Yeah. Menu. Put at this
The
one.
menu. So what you got there? Burger.
Burger, meat, hot dog, and the hot dog.
And it says $2.50. Don't forget to put your sign. Open for business. Alright. Set up the food. Hang the utensil in the back. Got a spoon. What else you got there?
And a fork.
And a fork. And that's in the back here. There's a little place to put the utensil in the back.
And the
And ketchup.
chips.
And the cleanser.
And put
And
the
the food.
eggs go in the back.
And the eggs frying the egg right now.
Let's put the burger.
Making the egg right now.
And the cups.
So what do you have here? So you got burger, hot dog, and some meat. Can I have a burger, please?
Okay.
I'm very hungry. Nice shop you got here.
Here you go.
Yummy burger. Thank you.
Welcome.
Here's your money. There you go.
Thank you.
And can I have some water, please?
Okay. Here.
Oh, thank you for the water. I'm gonna eat my burger now. Yummy burger. Yummy, yummy.
Making the egg.
Yummy egg. There's a burger truck. Miss, can I have some hot dog?
Okay. Hot dog coming right up. Here's your hot dog.
Oh, thank you.
Here's your juice.
Ooh, thank you. So this is the little food truck or burger truck. So it has the food. Has all this plastic food. There's the burger, the lettuce, and there's the bread. So it comes with this different type of food. And it's made of plastic. It has hot dog, bread, hamburger, and egg. Oh, and chicken leg.
In the hot dog.
And chicken come with the utensil in the back.
Even a fork
And
and this one and a spoon.
Yeah,
I don't know where this one comes.
and it comes with a plate and a cup.
And this.
And also you could change this if
See
you
it have a hole here?
if you stay. So it also comes with a tray, so you could change this into a tray. And you could put your food in it, right?
Yeah.
And it look like that. So you could put your food in there and your cup. So you could either put the tray or you could put the handles. You could push it around. Alright. And also what's good about this, so once your kid's done playing, and this also comes with a storage. So easy cleanup and easy storage. And you could use it as a storage function. So
You can put it back in the box.
yeah, you could put it inside the box that comes with it, right? So once you're done, stick everything out. You could storage inside. Once you're done playing, you could keep everything inside here, so you won't lose your pieces here. Yeah. And it's easy to build, and you could always carry them anywhere because it's portable, and you could put everything inside. You could travel with this because it's portable. Easy storage until you're ready to play again. Alright.
It is.
So it's pretty. It's not too big and it's not too small. It's a really cute portable
You can
burger
put
truck.
it back easily and
You
you can take everything out.
Yeah, it's a really cute little burger truck here, huh? See, this is how big the food is. It's perfectly fit for little fingers. Yeah. Alright, so that's Happy Chef by Becko. If you guys want more information about this toy, I'll put the information in the description below, and also check out the description for a coupon code.
Thanks for watching. Come subscribe. Bye.
Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. If you guys want more information, don't forget to check out the description below.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Get your burger. Get your hot dog.